Hey everybody, I'm here with Steve Kinzler from Element Funding, and he is going to help us break down some common mortgage lending terms that you hear but you may not really understand, at least I don't, and he is going to be our expert for the day and help us really understand some different terms.
Thanks. I take these terms for granted too. I start talking to my clients and I throw out things like debt to income ratio, reserves, credit score. What's that all about? Let me explain to you. Okay, let's talk about credit score. Oh my gosh, this is such a big unknown to everybody. Well, let me tell you why credit scores are different. It's because of a word called an algorithm. So if you are on Credit Karma or Credit Sesame, one of those services, you can get your credit score. Well, the algorithm for that credit score is not the same algorithm that mortgage lenders use. It's not the same algorithm that a insurance guy would use, or if you're getting a car loan or even a credit card. And an algorithm is basically a formula taking all various criteria, and then on credit score you're talking about credit inquiries, you're talking about the amount of debt to the amount of available line that you have to access on credit cards, whether you have new debt, and then also your payment history as well. It's all calculated into this algorithm. So, but the algorithm that the mortgage lenders use tends to be the hardest algorithm that's out there. So, if you pull up your Credit Sesame or your Credit Karma and it says 760, that may not be what your credit score actually is. There are three credit scores. There's Experian, Equifax, and there's TransUnion. And the mortgage lender usually takes the middle score of the three. So if you have a 760 on an Equifax, and you have a 715 on a TransUnion, and you have a 730 on your Experian report, the lender's going to use that 730 credit score. So what's great about the credit score? Well, the higher your credit score, usually the lower your rate. So that's a little bit about credit scores. There's a lot more to it. Give me a call if you want any more information.